Hey guys! Today I'm making an overhead camera rig for filming art videos for around $150, so come along on the journey. Admittedly, I watched a ton of YouTube videos to get the inspiration for this, and this video in particular was the main inspiration. I'll leave the link below. It doesn't have a how-to or anything, but it gave me the overall idea of what I wanted to make. Okay, so the idea is you have a long pole. That can be metal or that could be solid wood, and you attach it to the ceiling. In my case, there's a beam here, so it kind of makes sense to attach it to that. Then you need a strong clamp that you feel safe attaching the weight of your camera to. The clamp that you can undo to eventually move, and attach to that clamp an arm that could move directions, and that arm holds your camera. So if you want to film like over my big space, I can have it here, and if I want to film over my desk that's by my windows, because maybe I want natural daylight, I can just unhook it here, slide it over, and film here. And then when it's not daylight time and I sit here in the middle normally, I won't have a shadow to my back, for example, such as nighttime, I could move it back here and film here again. Or if I have a larger project and I need the bigger space, I can film here. So that's the idea of the pole. Just having it be the most flexible possible without having all these big ugly bars in the way that I see in a lot of setups. I want something that feels like it can at least half go away when I'm not using it. So the arms could get tighter up here, or I could even take the arm down if I got tired of it. So here's the plan. All right, the moment of truth. This. No! It doesn't fit. They lied. Alternately, Overall, I think the project was a success. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I've tried filming a couple times with it already and it works well. Don't make my mistake and make sure that you have an adapter to attach the arm to your actual camera, and you will save yourself a couple weeks. I do like to loop the camera strap around the arm just for added peace of mind. Now, I don't know if you have to do that, but my thinking is you might as well. This may or may not be your solution. It really depends on your camera. My Canon M50 is pretty light, so this is a great option for me. I think it can hold something plus or minus around 10 pounds, so it's up to you to use your judgment. The clamp and the arm are nice and tight, so I feel really secure using it. Down the road, I might get a camera cage, but at this point, I don't really think it's necessary and it's quite costly. So for total cost, it came out to around plus or minus $150, depending if you count the pole or not. I'm pretty okay with the cost. I think it's not as expensive as it could have been, and it wasn't as time consuming in terms of labor as a lot of the DIY projects out there. So I hope you liked this video. It was definitely a big learning process for us. I hope you learned something too. If you liked this video, please like or subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So thanks for watching.